Hey guys, it's Ryan from Bell Camper Sales. Hey, just wanted to touch base with you. We got this 2022 KZ Sportsmen 130 RB here. Just want to do a little quick walk around video with you. This is a 360 video, so you should be able to follow kind of all the way around here. I'm just going to kind of point and show you where things are. This is a pretty small compact trailer here, so let's get started here. This one's basically got your 2-burner stove, microwave, got your sink, it's got a little dorm style fridge down here. In the back here, you'll notice that you've got your 110 USB plug-ins. That bed there, well actually that's a dinette, but the dinette will break down to a bed, so that's your sleeping spot there. You got some storage underneath your bunks here, or underneath your seating here. Overhead storage. You've got your spot for your radio here, indoor and outdoor speakers with this. This one's got a 13.5 BTU low profile air conditioning with it. It's got a power awning, rolls straight out. Also back here we've got some storage. We've got overhead storage, mid storage, and lower storage here as well. Right through this door here is where your bathroom is. Basically there you've got shower, tub. It's got the skylight in it, so for those folks that are a little bit taller there. And then you also got your toilet there with the foot flush. So come see us at Bell Camper Sales. We'll get you camping. My name's Ryan.